Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts. This is a prediction, love prediction for the Earth signs, which are Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. I just have them open there. That's what I was reading. So welcome back. Let's see what are the predictions, love predictions for you guys. I'm going to give you alphabets. I'm going to give you lucky numbers or charms or anything that I think is important as a channel message and should reach you. Also remember guys, this is a general reading, might or might not resonate. Not all messages might resonate, a few might resonate. That's what I always start by saying. These are guidances and these are to validate what you've been thinking or to put you on the right path or to tell you what is better for you or what are the probabilities or higher chances. In the end, do whatever your free will says. That's what I always say. So I'm going to give you some love predictions, and this is Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, and this is for Earth signs. I've already uploaded air signs and I think yeah, air signs and fire signs. So Earth was left, and so water is left. So right now I'm doing Earth signs. So Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. These are your messages, and I'm going to start the reading. I'm using 4 different decks here. Let's see what are the messages. What do you need to know? What the other person is thinking about you, or anything love messages that I get. Clearing negativity. There is negativity in your relationship or in your situation, guys. Clear negativity and move on, because if you're going to bring on too many negative thoughts in your mind, it will affect your relationship also, and also from within and around you. So any negative person, any negativity, any negative thoughts, anything to do with negativity, you need to clear out. Okay guys, that's how you're going to make the relationship more beautiful. Just keep it positive. That's the message that I get. Also, I got the channel message that remember to say please whenever you're asking for something or you want something to get done, or even if you're making a point or you have a point of view, so just say please, please understand this, and just be gentle with the other person. Use the word please a lot. That's how you're going to make the other person understand. I don't mean overly using please as a word, but yes, it'd be nice to say things like the difference, understand me, and say please try to understand me. That makes a lot of difference always. Really opens up the heart of the other person, or the whole fact that sometimes the others don't listen to us, and the way we start the conversation, other person gets closed on the topic already, and you haven't even kept your point. So if you start gently and you start with the please, it's the other person is going to listen. Maybe that's a important channel message, and that's the situation right now that you're dealing with, and the other person is not listening to you. Value your self-worth. Okay, have hold yourself in high esteem. Value your own self before you value others. And if you value yourself, that's how others are going to look at you. And I feel golden is important, and I feel it's written diamond, and the channel message that I get is like shine like a diamond, or unless you shine like a diamond, the others are not going to see you as a diamond. You have to show your worth, your real self, and your true self. You have to first love yourself. Self-care, self-love is more important. That's when you will get the same kind of love and self back from the other person. I'm going to change my deck. This is my new deck. I'm going to unbox it also, and not necessarily show the unboxing video here, but I want to do a review on the Archangel Gabriel cards. I'm in love with them. They are very beautiful, and they are so right, and they so help me give the channel messages or whatever answer I want. And all my cards are beautiful, and all of so whenever I'm doing a reading, the cards that attract me towards themselves that time are the cards that I pick for the reading. So for all the readings, I am always doing a different combination. It's never the same cards combination or same deck combination. I said detox time. So if it says release negativity, it is detox time for you guys. Release toxins from your body, mind, and diet. So it could be mind, body, and diet. Also, you are indulging in things, like having too much oily food, or having too much fried food. Guys, just stay away from that. So heal your mind and body also, and that's how you're going to feel better. If you feel better and you're happy, when you're dealing with people, it shows, and you will have happy thoughts. So it is detox time for you. Like the first card was release negativity, so this also means there is something negative in your life, probably your habits, your routine, or something that you need to let go as a habit from your side, and don't do too much of it. excessive exercising, excessive eating, or pushing yourself too much, or eating too much. Just remember that, clear negativity from your life in whatever way you think you have to, because this is a general reading and there will be a lot of viewers watching it, so you know your situation the best, and whatever negativity you want to release, just do that. I'm going to move on to another reading. Another card I meant. I don't know why I said a reading, because I've got two readings today. This is a beautiful blessed card, Mother Mary. And it says, the Blessed Mother is helping you with your divine life purpose. So, a lot of you who thought, what is my purpose in life? Or, you don't know about your life purpose, and you end up asking the question, sometimes it confuses us. Yes, being materialistic is important. I've got the wealth, I've got everything. I want to do something for the society. What is my life purpose? Why did I come into this life? Do I have to achieve something else? Do I have to help the needy? So there is some kind of life purpose that you've been asking, and you've been wanting God to answer it, probably in your dreams, or you are looking for a life purpose because you've achieved everything and you are wondering what you need to do. So this is not a love card here, but it could be life purpose. Could also be giving caring for someone, especially, or that person right now needs you and you have to care for that person, and that's why the person has entered your life. Or you need caring right now, so you will look for a partner, or the partner who will come into your life will be extremely caring. So whatever you are missing, probably Mother Mary will bless you with a person who is like that, like caring or loving, or whatever you need right now. Probably if you are feeling too weak and you need a person who's really strong mentally, otherwise, and will be like will will be strong, because you are feeling weak right now, and would add strength to your life, or will be like a lion, or whatever strength that you want to draw with from that person. So probably Mother Mary is going to bless you with a similar kind of person, whatever you are missing from your life. Let's see what are the other messages. uh, Let me see what are the other messages. A lot of cards fell and they went flying off. There's a lot of energy. I did work. And detox was again here. Okay, it fell in my hand. Vulnerable. You are vulnerable right now, and it says, listen to your vulnerable feelings as they contain wisdom and inspiration. So right now I use the word weak before that, and it says that if you're feeling weak, just draw wisdom and inspiration from that, guys. So even sometimes when we feel weak and we think we cannot do anything, we don't have the strength, but that is the time, we have to gather, muster up all our strength, and have to move on, have to keep going on. Let's see what are the other cards for you. New project. New project. I'm going to take a new project, as in a new, somebody new entering your life. If you're single, and if you, I don't know, you're going to deal with a water sign. I get a very big water sign energy, guys. For you, earth sign, I have a feeling you're going to deal with the water sign, and new project is actually a new person. So the person will be a project in itself. Maybe you have to care for that person. Maybe the person was broken and probably is looking for you. So I'm going to take this card as, I don't know why I get the channel message that a new person is going to enter your life, especially a water sign. And I get especially it's either a Cancer or a Scorpio. I also get you're going to deal with a Gemini or a Libra. So maybe those are the new people entering your life. Let me see what are the other messages for you guys. Speeches and speaking. The person is going to express themselves a lot. I don't know why. And you're also going to meet at a platform where there's a lot of exchange of words, or or some speech is happening, or some kind of a webinar, or similar things. You're going to meet at a platform where there are a lot of people and you are interacting. Also, you're one of the people interacting. So one of the places where you could meet is on. Yeah, on online or some social media, and there is a lot of interaction. I'm getting the word interaction a lot. It's a channel message. It says you have important messages to deliver that can help others. Also, you have important messages for others, I think. And it is about the person is going to come into your life. You're going to talk to that person. You will heal the person. I really get healing the person. The person is going to reach out to you, and that is the person you are going to fall in love with. It's some kind of a healing activity, that you will indulge in, and you have to heal the person by the way you talk, the way you're going to inspire the person, the way you're going to motivate the person, and the person is going to really like that about you. So that's another message. Guys, I always say, I always interpret one card according to the situation, what message I'm getting. I never read the card in the same way anytime. You are journal your feelings. I think you are writing a lot about your feelings, how you feeling, the kind of person you want to meet, how you feel in the relationship, how you want to feel in the relationship, the things that you've been going through, the hard times, or whatever. I think you're doing a lot of journaling right now. Or I think the person you're going to get involved with does a lot of writes a lot of journals, writes down their feelings, are in touch with their feelings. I also get there in touch with that, with their feelings. I get it like a channel message. So let me see what are the other messages for you. Some few cards wanted to jump out. A lot of messages. Pisces, you're going to deal with the Pisces. The Pisces is going to balance you. If you're going to meet your a lover who's a Pisces or is a Pisces, the person will keep you balanced. Will make you help you will help you grow spiritually also, is what I want to say. Like, I don't know if it could be your life purpose, that probably that person will bring you your life purpose, or you'll suddenly realize your life purpose when that person enters your life, is what I get. Have faith in your dreams. You will meet the person. I think a lot of you are losing faith that there is nobody. Having questions like, there is no one who's meant for me, or who's meant to enter my life, or who will be like me, or who will understand me. I think have faith in your dreams, and the person will enter. I don't know why I get 14 days with you. Something to do with 14 days. Or it's been 14 days that you did create a new social account, where you can meet or interact with people, is also what I get. 14 is an important number for you. It's also a lucky number for you. I want to say that. And 14 also adds up to 5. So 5 is also important for you guys. Time for healing, not healing yourself. Let's come reversed, guys. Some of you need to heal from a past relationship, or any kind of tiff. You need to rectify the situation. You need to make adjustments with your partner, and make get the relationship back on track. Especially if you're dealing with a Scorpio, and I get a Sagittarius, and I get, if you're a Capricorn and dealing with a Capricorn, luck is on your side. You're going to find someone new. If you've been fighting, luck is on your side. Things are going to settle. You're also going to meet somebody who's born in. I get a November. If you're going to meet the person who's born in November, things will just take off very effortlessly, and you will commit to each other very soon. That's what I get. Uh, Let me see the power cards. I'm going to give you alphabets or other messages. Let me see the love cards. What are the love messages for you? Not taking this relationship to the other level. I think you still started. It's a new relationship. You'll take time to take the relationship to the other person, or the person who's involved with you is thinking about the relationship. Might take time to commit. I'm getting might take time to commit. Might take 3 months more to commit to you guys. So remember that if you're dealing with it's a new relationship, or you've been seeing each other for long, the commitment is going to take time, and the delay will be good for you. I don't know why I said that, but the delay and the commitment will be good for you. Or if you're taking time to understand the situation or the relationship, the commitment will you will commit later. Vision. I'm going to read it out. No matter what, you see the bigger picture of a loving, just universe. So just means fair, and I think you are seeing the relationship. You're seeing the bigger picture in the relationship, and you want to take this relationship to the next level, and want to be more committed. Like I said, and I think you are. You see love. You are very just. You're very fair in your relationship, is what I see. Or the person you're going to meet is very fair. Will not put too much pressure for you to decide quick or late, will let you be. That's the kind of person I think is going to enter your life, and the person will also have the same vision as you will have. I also get the life purpose is pretty much the same, because the first card I got was life purpose, so I think you both will have the same life purpose, and your visions will match in some way. The end goals or something to do, probably the vision in the relationship, or you'll also have you know uh, the person will be as unique as you are. you have a very unique point of view about looking at a relationship, and I think even the other person will see it similarly. Let me see one more message for you guys. Humility. You believe in humility in the relationship, and that's a wonderful message, guys. You have developed the loving awareness that you and everyone else are the same but on different paths. Like I just said right now, you also love being unique, and you also love, you respect that when somebody else is a little different from you. You respect that also because you yourself are different. And I don't know why I get that. You see relationships very differently, guys, and that must be a fantastic thing. Then you don't go by the book, that if you're in love or if you're in a relationship, you have to go by A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. They're the points, or they're the rules set by the society, or something that is set. You don't defy it, but you have your own unique, beautiful point of view, and that's what I like. I'm sure that's the thing the other person likes in you. And let me see. I want to do one more Archangel Gabriel card. There's one more message that I need to give you, and it's like that pestering thought. That one more message for you. Helping children. Maybe your life purpose is helping children. See, because I was saying maybe I wanted to give your life purpose, or you and your partner, whoever you meet, or whoever you are with, or your relationship, whoever you're in a relationship, you both have a unique life purpose, and it's about helping others, and especially helping children. So you love children, either person you're going to meet loves children, or the person you are already with loves children, and you guys want to do something for the kids, probably help the needy kids, or teach them something, or probably educate them and not charge for it. And it says part of your life purpose involves teaching, guiding, and helping young people. Guys, I feel so blessed when when I wanted an answer, and it actually came, because it was troubling me. What is your life purpose? And time and again, I was taking those two words out, that what is your life purpose is about this reading. So, Earth, guys, Earth element, zodiac signs, your life purpose is helping kids in some way, guys. And I think you know it, or you were trying to find the answer. So, this is God or spirit guides, ascended masters, and all the spirit guides, whoever, my archangels, all guiding you in. Archangel Gabriel, this is Archangel Gabriel's card, and this is your life purpose, guys. This is your high. This is your, what you have to do in life. So this is your answer. That's why I was not keeping the cards down, and I knew I had to give you some message, and I feel happy when at least I can give a message and I can validate something what I've been feeling. So I'm going to do alphabets that are important for you. Let's see what alphabets are important for you, guys. S is important for you. I is important for you. I don't know why I is coming in every alphabet that I'm picking up. I don't know what is my message for that. C, C is important for you. A is important for you. All these alphabets are important. Probably the people you are seeing are from these alphabets, or you're going to meet them here, or something. Maybe a project will start with the word E. So E is also important for you, guys. So these were the messages for you. Let me pick up some charms, or whatever the colors that are important for you guys, and let's see what comes in my hand. Sorry, this is always a noisy thing that I do, but I have to do it. Oh, I got a lot of them. So Earth sign. Water is important for you. I told you, water sign. This is a fish. Maybe a Pisces also you're going to deal with. Fish is important for you. Blue is important for you. Dealing with blue, water. I'm going to go with water. Water is important for you. Green. Green. Green is almost, I'm going to take earth, because earth is all brown and green. Green is a good color for you guys. I'm going to say gold is also important for you. Black is important for you. Black is a good color. And believe in the impossible. Whenever a unicorn comes in the reading, I say believe in the impossible, and whatever you want to achieve will be yours, guys. Don't worry. And those are my messages for you, and I'm going to be back with another reading soon. And I hope you enjoyed your reading. Please subscribe to my channel. Please write in the comment section. I always read the comments, and do like my videos. And please do check out my other videos. And you can give me suggestions of what kind of videos you want me to upload, what predictions you want me to make. So guys, thank you so much for this reading, and spending your time with me here. And see you soon. Bye, guys. Thank you so much.